Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kawai ka Samla kalapan pau ka jing bitar haba keren ha ka jing yelang ha khandai lat. Kabalapan long da ka HYC. Halor ka jing ai ka jing kershani ki Samla ha Delhi ki bayakhi persha ya ka sarkar u Modi. Kane ka Samla kala Ther teng e ya u Narendra Modi u menteri rang ba do kari India. Kani ka Samla kala ong ba u Modi u Ukraine banyadai ki kenthei ling ba ka beti Bachao beti padao. Henrei ka jingle jong u ka long pat da khongpong. Kumta kaladon kam ban ong Modi Bhagao Desh Bachao.
All the aspirants who had to face so much of atrocities because of the paper leak, because of the failure of our education system. My question is to the Education Minister of India and to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, why can't you conduct an exam fairly? I think you also got this post because of cheating. In the year 2012, they said, Modi said, अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. Now say Modi जी हमें खराब दिन रहने देते ना. हमारे खराब दिन वापस दे दो. लेकिन पेपर लीक मत करवाओ मोदी जी. Don't play with our lives. We are the future of this nation. Modi ji, I think you should resign. Because you are too old. Resign as fast as possible because we are sick of this government. In 2012, Modi said, "Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao." Now I would like to say, Modi Bhagao, Desh Bachao. अब की बार अंतिम संस्कार. Thank you.
Thinking about the student, and I would also like, why it's taking too long for you to resign? It's just because you don't know how to write or type a resignation letter. So you just take a paper and pen and make sure it does not leak. So you can and even if you are that much illiterate that you can't even type or write, then I'll send you from Meghalaya. And you just take your अंगूठा घर में लगाओ